Hi guys, this is a build reveal of what it says on the box. It's a US 2.5 ton 6x6 cargo truck, 1/48 military miniature series, number 48, made by Tamiya in 2007. Yeah, it's not a bad build. Took me a bit longer than normal, so I'm convalescing. And I have to say, there's an awful lot of ejector pins. There's an awful lot of ejector pins in the load bay. They have to be hidden. It was painted primarily with LPs, lacquer paints, and this one's the LP28. So, very nice. And it's been subtly weathered. So there you go. Okay then, bye for now.